In this video, we are going to take a look at the verb ir. The first thing we have to determine is, what does the verb ir mean? Ir, which is often followed by the word a, is to go, to. So normally when we conjugate a verb, our first step is to say adios to our last two letters, either the AR, ER, or IR. But with this verb, we've got a small problem. If I say adios to my IR, I've said adios to the whole verb. So because that's the case, let's take a look at what the verb looks like after I say adios to my IR. I'm going to say yo voy a. So my IR, I have to add a letter there. So we're going to say voy. I go to. Tú vas a. You go to. Usted va a. You go to. Él va a. He goes to. Ella va a. She goes to. Ella va a. They go to. So again, notice how all of these words share the form va. So I've got to make sure that I put my subject so I know who is going. Nosotros vamos a. We are going to. Vosotros vais a. Y'all are going to. Ustedes van a. That you guys are going to. Ellos van a. They are going to. Ellas van a. They are going to. And ellos van a. They are going to. So again, all of these verbs in this box share van as their form. So make sure you put your subject so we know who is going. Let's take a look at those forms one more time before we see it in a couple of sentences. Yo voy. Tú vas. Usted va. Él va. Ella va. Ella va. Nosotros vamos. Vosotros vais. Ustedes van. Ellos van. Ellas van, and ellas van. Now that we've got our forms down, let's take a look at our verb in a couple of sentences. So because my verb means to go to, oftentimes it's going to be followed by a place, just like in all of these examples. Yo voy a mi casa. I go to my house. Tú vas a la escuela. You go to school. Ella va al supermercado. They go to the supermarket. Nosotros vamos al centro comercial. We go to the mall. Vosotros vais al aeropuerto. Y'all go to the airport. And ustedes van a la tienda. You guys go to the store. So notice in each of these sentences, here's my yo voy, here's my word a, and then it's telling me where I go to. Tú vas a la escuela. Ella va a, in this case, al supermercado. Nosotros vamos a, with el, al centro comercial. Vosotros vais a al aeropuerto. Ustedes van a la tienda. So that is how I conjugate the verb ir, which means to go, in the present tense.